Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley, and today I'm going to be showing you how to style short hair. I know that when I went short, I used to have really long hair, and as soon as I cut it all off, I was like, oh, now what? Like, what's next? What do you do now? You know? And this is definitely, hands down, one of my favorite hairstyles to do on my hair. It's just so gorgeous. It gives so much volume and depth to your hair. And it's super easy and simple to do, which is the best part about it. And on top of all of that, not only it being easy and beautiful, all you need is a straightener. And if you don't have a wand or a curling iron, you probably at least have a straightener. I cannot recommend my straightener enough. It is called the Babyliss Pro. Literally, this is like the best straightener ever. I got it for Christmas and I'm so thankful and grateful to have this straightener. Like, A1 since day one, thank you. The number one thing you always want to remember when putting any heat on your hair at all, you want to go in with some type of heat protectant on your hair. I use the Redken heat protectant, so I'm gonna spray some of that. A little bit goes a long way. Just remember that too. And next, all you're gonna need is a hair tie. You know the one I'm talking about, the one that is literally permanently attached to your wrist. That's my life. And for me personally, I like to do this in sections. I know that some people don't really do it in sections. You don't have to do it that way. I just have thicker hair, so I prefer to do it this way because it's a lot more thorough for me. Okay, so now that I have my hair up and back, we're gonna be working through little small sections of my hair. So, then I'm gonna be doing the same thing all around. And then usually when I'm going through, I will end up like running my fingers through it just because I don't really want it to stay in like the tighter curls. I kind of want to just like run my fingers through, and it just gives like that effect to it. Okay. Okay, so once again, I'm taking a small section of hair and clamping down, and I'm going to twist as fast as I can. Like that. And taking it through. And so now, since I'm done with this bottom section, I'm just running my fingers through my hair. And it's gonna end up looking like this. So now that I'm done, I will usually just like run through my hair with my fingers and kind of like try to tame the beast a little bit. Obviously this is like very whoo in your face right now, but it will calm down after a little while. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something today. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.